a complex 3-year project nearing the final stages now. So to give a bit of background, about 4 or 5 years ago when we start to install the propulsion system into our self-launcher, we realized that the vibration levels of the engine is not compatible with our design methodology that we worked out at the time, and we initiated a project to reduce the vibration in the current Solo engine.
So this is the 2625 balanced engine. It is based on the 2625 family of engines. So it's got the same cylinder head, same pistons, and what we have changed, we've introduced a new crankcase, and within the crankcase there's a balancing shaft which counteracts some of the vibration forces previously transmitted to the airframe.